but that should be under a doctor's supervision with any glaucoma problem or anything in the early stages. Even for those also, you can use it as a eye wash,
In
turmeric eye wash.
many ways, in the online they mention use turmeric with milk at the night time for drink.
Yeah, that is immune booster also, I told, right?
Okay.
Yeah, that is good only. Even now for this ongoing pandemic also, Aish also explained you to drink golden milk, right? That is the same thing.
Okay.
Even we know that quick wound healing, we've been using it right from ancient days. Whenever any wound is there, first thing first we search for haldi powder. Actually, it is very good. If it is, you know the source, you know it as organic haldi powder. Putting haldi powder is the best.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But if it is not an organic one, it increases actually the problem.
Oh.
And
Yeah, many times we get we don't know. Many times we get only a non-organic one.
yeah,
Okay.
organic, that is why slowly we have to use for this. When we are using actually all these remedies, when we are talking about so many remedies,
Hmm.
at least if I am talking about 20, 30 remedies, 5 you should be able to use quickly, easily, right?
Yeah.
Like turmeric milk, turmeric water, turmeric with ghee, turmeric with that other black pepper and all, whatever I told, turmeric on the external thing. Those are the simple things which you should be in a condition to use.
Hmm.
You will be able to use only if you know the source properly as organic one.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, yeah, otherwise there is no point in using also.
Okay.
And allergic rhinitis, last time we discussed. Allergic rhinitis, even not only the turmeric fumes, but even your diet, milk, everything should be considered. That is different. But using it, as we discussed, that turmeric rhizome, that fumes also will help. Even for the cancer also, one will use turmeric. How to use in cancer is this: somebody are doing research on it. I never used alone turmeric. I've been telling people, but I never get feedback. Gomutra I'll tell, turmeric I'll tell, but I never got feedback about turmeric. Gomutra I got. One of the patient actually had a throat problem, some kind of throat cancer, something. For that I, because the stage is little extra, and I just advise to use Gomutra slowly, little better. I can't say that yeah it is working and everybody start using Gomutra, but for that patient, he is able to eat something and he is in good condition to follow up with the other treatment protocols of cancer related. But it is helping him. Like that in turmeric, how to use is, if as a prevention also, you can, somebody can use if they are suspecting with the family history or something. Turmeric, 10 grams of turmeric in little warm water for 40 days, early morning. This can act as a preventive thing. You can use turmeric in tooth powder. Add to it salt and tooth powder also you can use. And burns, when something skin got burnt, you can add aloe vera to it, and aloe vera pulp and turmeric. You put it on it, and skin will become normal in 3 days, 3 to 4 days, depending on the burn. In jaundice also you can use this. Actually, it is good. Many times, even we advise also. Jaundice, you can use turmeric 2 spoons with warm water for 3 days. After 3 days, you will see the change. Now we will talk. Any questions in this, or we'll talk the next one? Guduji.
Yeah. We will take a few questions from the participants on turmeric, ma'am. Number.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
Sir, how turmeric can be used by diabetic patients?
Diabetic, I told right, sir. Diabetic, early morning, take turmeric with amla powder.
Okay. That is, you said, for pre-diabetic.
Even regular diabetic also can use.
Acha, amla juice.
Not amla juice, amla powder.
Okay.
Amla
Okay.
powder with turmeric. Why I
Thank
am
you.
not encouraging amla
Hmm.
juice? You should
Ah,
have asked me.
yes.
Because I don't trust in these brands.
Okay.
What we generally say is you make the juice, then and there itself, and you consume it.
Okay.
Because juice cannot be stored for so long and used. And moreover, all these hybrid amla, I don't even prefer actually. Year long, where you get the amla, that is not the amla which was told in samhitas to use on a daily basis.
Thank
Amla
you.
is rasayana, but you have to use the deshi variety where it is in the seasonal one, or some trees will come regularly also, but it is not a hybrid one.
Okay. For how many
So
days, madam?
it can be used continuously depending on the sugar levels, sir.
Okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
But you have to be watchful. How is your sugar level and all that?
Okay.
Otherwise, it is a safety.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So the things are clear that we need to take Ayurveda medicines. Only herbs are naturally grown, and we know the source, and as per the season, as per the body nature. So there are many conditions. That's why people will blindly follow the online some advices, and they don't get any good results. Yeah, ma'am. The question from the participants are how to consume turmeric and honey in warm water every day morning. Any specific guidelines in that?
Yeah, in warm water you can take 1 or 2 pinches turmeric to the warm water. Add honey once water is not very warm. Actually, generally we will not tell honey to mix in the warm water.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So water should not be very warm. Water should be like lukewarm or room temperature. To that you add honey and consume it.
Yeah. Another question is
It is very good for liver function and all that.
okay. Yeah, ma'am. Another question is because
Yeah.
sometimes we don't know the source of the herbs and where they came. Any guidelines or any
Yeah.
tips and tricks to identify whether they are naturally grown or desi, like example amla, whether it's desi amla or not. Any tips to identify them?
One tip which I, as an Ayurvedic practitioner, I follow from the Ayurvedic stores,
Okay.
the branded amla powder. To
Okay.
be frank, because here so many farmers will be there, they might have better knowledge than me in growing these things. And what I follow in practice is the products which I really believe, like say Baidyanath or Kerala products, Vaidyaratnam, Kottakkal, all these. Some of these things will have very, how you say they are very good means the result that I am getting through it is wonderful. SDM and Dudh Papeshwar, all that. We get wonderful results with it.
Okay. So
That I never had any complaint when I'm prescribing so and so things for these products. I never had any problem.
okay, got it.
And if it is little overdose also, I'll be fine. Say, because whatever I tell after that also, sometimes patient might be continuing also. That is not in my control, right?
Yeah.
So they should be safe. Even if they are using also, they should be safe till they contact me. That is my idea.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And one more thing, in the local market, they are getting curcumin drops. Is it safe to consume, or because they don't know how they extracted and how they made?
Maybe I never heard drops. Tulsi drops I know, but curcumin drops I never heard also.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that if you tell the company and all that, I might be guiding you at the end.
Okay. Yeah. Narendranji, please share the company names so that we can get a cross check. And one more thing, Yeah, ma'am, you tell it about the black turmeric and rare varieties
Huh.
of turmeric which are grown in the northeast. Can you please throw a little light on those? I mean, how to use them or any specific guidelines to use them?
They are also actually same like turmeric.
Okay.
Curcumin level actually is more in black turmeric is what I had my research with.
Okay.
And remaining orange Himalayan turmeric is also very good with its curcumin content and works wonderful in all the skin allergies, so-called whatever we told, cholesterol. It is wonderful. Even for cholesterol also,
Mm-hmm.
I think I missed that point in explaining. Cholesterol and triglycerides and all this,
Mm.
using turmeric is very useful. Start consuming turmeric in daily somehow, in your rasam or in your cooking or somehow also is good. If it is organic one, you
Mm-hmm.
will see the change. You will see the change in 3 months after using it
Mm-hmm.
regularly. And for ladies, they can see their change in their facial expression after using 3 months of organic turmeric.
Mm-hmm.
They don't need any commercial products. When it comes to black turmeric and all, same. It looks like that black powder, purple and blue turmeric. When you cut it, you will see that colors.
Yeah, yeah.
But that effect is same thing. They use it in cooking.
Okay.
Different countries are using it in different dishes.
The fresh one.
So many fresh one cooked in. They
Okay.
will put that or color ingredient or taste enhancer or anything.
Mm-hmm.
Or some are using even as preservative also.
Mm-hmm.
As it is here, it is not, we don't see it much here. Only in hilly regions it grows too much.
Mm.
And as it is endangered species here,
Mm.
they're not allowed to actually grow it in regular.
Oh, okay.
Even if somebody is actually growing also, I think they need to take permissions and all that.
Mm-hmm. Ma'am, in
But
olden days, females used to turmeric for all the legs and hands, especially
yeah,
during
it
the
is very
festivals.
good. The cracks, no,
Yeah.
the feet crack is wonderful. You add, if you don't have anything, any Ayurvedic oils or anything, just add coconut oil and turmeric to it.
Mm-hmm.
Keep it like that for 2 hours.
Okay.
Or if you can keep overnight, that is even wonderful.
Mm.
Otherwise, also just keep it 2 hours and clean it. Like that, you continuously do for 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
It will become very soft.
Okay. Now, another
And
thing,
skin infections, so many
these,
skin infections.
yes,
Sir,
ma'am.
you are saying something? Yeah.
Click continue, ma'am. I will ask later.
Yeah, so many skin infections, some small infections, um, that skin rashes and itching, too much of itching, all that. Sometimes they don't even come to the doctor. So many times
Mm.
they will be suffering like that only.
Mm.
Instead of suffering, you can actually consume turmeric, 2 pinches of turmeric and 1 spoon of this neem powder.
Neem powder.
Consume.
Okay.
Yeah, make kashaya of neem powder, add 2 pinches of turmeric and just drink it. If it is too much for you to take that bitter one, add little jentuppa, honey. It is
Okay.
wonderful.
Okay.
Consume like that for 5 days and you see your rashes will be gone and itching will be gone. This neem we'll call nimba kashaya,
Mm.
and this turmeric, now the same process what it told.
Mm. Yeah. Now, another question is, as I remember in my when I was a kid, only female in the houses, they used to apply all the turmeric to their hands and legs and face, but not the male. So,
Yeah,
as,
that I told, right? Facial hair remover it is.
okay, okay.
Facial hair remover,
Uh,
but even men also for complexion they can use. But
okay,
as we said, it is having Haridra and Kanchani and Ranjani. It
mm,
changes the color. It
okay.
changes the color to its own color.
Oh, okay, okay.
Ranjani means Ranjani. It is having the name, one more name as Ranjani.
Mm,
Rajani, sorry. Rajani means the it changes its color of the cloth to its color.
Okay. Okay.
And remaining all what we discussed is Haridra also is all that. So men usually don't like to change their color.
Hmm.
So it is usually in the female gender. But even if a male also can use it for infection-free skin, you can say,
Mhm.
fair skin, you can say.
Okay. Yeah. We have a few more questions from Hitesh ji. Hitesh ji.
Yeah. Ma'am, I want to ask that you said that daily dosage of turmeric should be around 2 grams to 3 grams. Now, when we are taking, I mean, this haldi at night in milk, right? That could be 2 grams, and we are also taking haldi in our curry
No.
sabji, like when we
No,
make
no.
some haldi.
Sir. I told 2 grams in divided doses.
Yes, okay, 2 grams in divided doses. So, say
Yeah.
1 gram we can take it at night, and 1 gram that sabji we use, we can take it. I mean, like 5 grams for the whole family, right? Ma'am, your
Yeah.
voice is cracking.
But it
Hello.
will come around to you not more than 3 with the cooking, regular cooking. Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you're audible now,
Yeah,
ma'am.
regular cooking,
Yes, now.
regular cooking, it will not be too much, not more than 3 grams. The way how you
Okay.
use for your
So in
cooking and
cooking, I
all,
mean,
yeah.
uh-huh.
If
like
you are
we are
liberal in
making,
actually
I
cooking,
mean, sabji. Ma'am, I couldn't hear you because
yeah,
this voice was not clear.
yeah,
Can you
that
repeat it once?
microphone was
Hitesh ji,
unconnected now.
Hitesh ji, post your questions.
Now
I will read it. Yeah.
Okay. I've asked the question. I mean, you just get the answer.
I will,
And another thing is, I want
yeah,
to ask
I will,
when
I
we are
will.
taking. Okay, so should I ask the question now?
Yes,
Yeah,
please
Hello?
ask.
you can ask.
Ask, please.
Yeah, so I was just asking that when we are taking turmeric at night with milk, some say that we have to put turmeric, put milk, and then boil both. Or should we boil the milk first and then add turmeric? So what should be the
You can
correct
do
practice?
anything, anything you can do.
Anything.
Boiling turmeric is not a big deal.
Anything.
You can do it. Or you can just heat the milk and add 2 pinches, not more than that. Don't make it a bitter medicine always.
Yes, yes.
Enjoy your drink.
Okay. Right.
Yeah, because
Thank you. Thank
if you add turmeric more, it is very bitter and hot. That drink will become so bitter.
Right.
Who wants milk to be drink in
Yeah.
bitter taste, right? So just
Right.
2 pinches.
Yeah.
Right, ma'am.
Yeah.
And like you said that we can take turmeric. And what about Haridra Khand? Can that be taken also for immunity and general well-being? Haridra Khand of Baidyanath and all this Dudh Papeshwar.
No. Haritrakan, you have to come to me. I have to take
No.
consultation. I have to prescribe you
Okay.
for what problem you
Okay.
are
Right.
taking
Right.
and
So,
all that. Yeah. Usually, yeah,
okay.
Haridrakanda is
Okay.
a
Thank you.
prescription medicine. Thank you.
Ma'am, regarding the skin, I have a couple of questions. So, how to use it as a hair remover? You said mix in a coconut oil and then apply for 2 to 3 hours, and then that's fine.
That is for cracks.
Cracks, okay. For hair remover,
Hair remover, you can apply with actually aloe vera mixed it, or you can apply with chandan. You can apply with jaifal, jajikai.
okay, and
You can apply with kaskas,
make a paste,
gasgasar.
make a paste,
Make
and
a,
then
make a, everything. I am just not explaining that. But when you are applying to face, you apply with even chana flour.
okay.
Apply that.
What about mixing
And
with milk and
make a paste of it.
desi cow milk and then applying? Is it also fine?
Yeah, that also that gives good complexion.
Okay, not
Complexion
hair
for
removal.
hair removal and all these stuff.
Okay, so
And actually, when it comes to hair removal, If it is little small hair, these things. But if it is really more and it is a problem, definitely you have to consult your doctor. Any hormonal imbalance should be there. Otherwise, it won't be growing up. So take proper doctor's consultation and use it.
Okay.
Because when I'm telling it, it should work for you. If it is not working, means definitely there is some metabolic or endocrinal problem is there, which is stunting. So you have to go and clear that problem. Then
Okay.
definitely you will be in a better.
So first thing is the herbs from, should know the source, and it should be naturally grown or basic seeds. Second thing, we need to know how to use. Third thing, if it's not working, then you should consult a doctor. That was a summary.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Another thing regarding the use of the skin, if anyone have a eczema, psoriasis, how long they need to put that on the entire skin affected?
Psoriasis, I didn't tell you.
No, for
I
eczema.
told about some of the eczema and all. You drink it, that kashayam. Other skin
Okay.
infections, I told, but just
Okay.
that what you call that hot water uh, with turmeric. You drink it. You drink it till you feel better. Till you don't. Doctor will add up some more medicines, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. So we can't apply. I mean, we should not apply on the skin where the is affected.
You can, but sometimes why it is not so much advisable is eczema. Some people will have throughout the body. Where will you apply? How much you will apply?
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
For
Got it.
that, root should be cleared inside. What is actually why it is causing? What is the lifestyle that they are having? What are the viruddha ahara they are taking? What are the wrong combinations of food they are having? What are the lifestyle mistakes that they've been doing from so long? Once you correct that, and with the medicine, internal medicine applying process, with that it will be cleared. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. We'll continue to Guruji.
Will continue to Guruji. Guruji names, sir, you all know Amruta, this, right? So it is in Ayurveda we call the name itself, it is having as Jvaranashini. Jvaragni, Jvaranashini, Jvarari. That means that which takes out the fever. So this is, as I told, turmeric as Haridra Prameha Haranam. This one is Jvaranashini. Jvarari or Jvaranashini. For that name you can remember for this Amruta. That is why in all the organic and terrace garden houses, it is familiar with any fever is there, make Guduchi Kada. Right? It is also used as Medhya Rasayana. Last time I have been discussing, right? Tulsi is not as a Rasayana, but these are Rasayanas. Even garlic can be used as Rasayana. Guduchi can be used as Rasayana. Rasayana means your immunity booster now. Immunomodulatory function it is having, and it acts as an immunity booster. Medhya Rasayana it is. Guduchi is Medhya Rasayana, like Shankapushpi, that Shankupulu in Telugu we call. Shankapushpi is also Medhya Rasayana. Brahmi is also Medhya Rasayana. Mandukaparni is Medhya Rasayana. And this Lashuna also is Lashuna. Garlic is also Rasayana. Amalaki is Rasayana. Rasayana means like that Chavanprash, how you take. Like that, these things also you can take. Again, it should not be with pesticides and all that. And there are again some disclaimers to it. Who can use it, who cannot use it, who has to continuously use it, who cannot continuously use it. So many rules are there, but it comes under Rasayana category. Somebody can use it a little longer time also, it is safe. So Guduchi comes under Rasayana category. And how to use Guduchi, now we will discuss. Guduchi, it don't everywhere, even in small balconies also, you can do just keeping that Guduchi stem also, you will get a new big creeper out of it. And actually that stem is very strong, very strong. In olden days, Sushruta period, he used that stem, where that Guduchi stem will be there, right? That is so strong that he used it in surgical procedures.
Mhm.
That much strong it is. And it won't be easily cut with hand, right? It is used in so and so manner. Those days they used it. And it is good in digestion. Basically, it is, though it is controlling Vata, Pitta and Kapha, mainly if it is used too much, Pitta content can be aggravated. Basically, it acts very well on Vata and Kapha. That's why many of the fevers, it works very well. Guduchi used in Guduchi Kashaya form, direct Guduchi Churna also with honey, Jentupa, you can use. Giloi Sat. Giloi Sat, again that process is like how I told for that white turmeric, Tavakshiri, Tikur.
Mm.
I told, right? The same process how to make that white turmeric powder. Like that only, little here and there, this Giloi Sat also. Giloi Sat is nothing but you take mainly in Guduchi, leaves also are used, but basically that stems, that thin stems are mostly used in medicinal preparation. Those stems you take, you crush it and make it juicy, put it in water and make it with your hands, like mixed up very well. Whatever inside the stem should come into the water and mix it very well, and leave it like that. Take out all the waste from the water. This is all waste. The stem, whatever you crushed it, will become waste, and whatever the inside part of it, that pulp part inside it, it is having a good carbohydrate in it. That will come down. That will come down in the water. That precipitate, once it comes down the water, remaining the top part you take it out and throw it out. And this precipitate you dry it for some days till it becomes dry. It is very soft in nature, and it is very pure white in color, and it is very good in fevers or post fever conditions, all that, in Vata and Kapha predominant stages we will be giving. This one you can give, this Giloi Satta also you can give half spoon with honey, food immune boost also you can use, like Haridra and Tulsi. You can add little Giloi powder, half spoon of Giloi powder and honey, or you can take this one only alone, Giloi and honey, for almost 2 months. Not, though this is Rasayana, I'm telling you to take only 2 months. After 2 months, you stop it. That's why last time somebody asked, right? You can use it how long? Only up to 2 months you use. After that you stop. Even regular Gulai Kashas and and make it little crushed in this kalvayantra. That is that regular chutney thing you have at home, right? That stone one. In that you make it little juicy one. Take that into one bowl, add water, double to it or triple to it, add water and boil it till it becomes, if you are adding 100 ml of water, it comes up to 25 ml. That much you boil it and strain that, strain all the stems and take only that water, add honey to it, drink it. It will be, even in the fever also it will help, and even in as a immune booster also it will help. You can take it after food also, you can take it, or after breakfast, before breakfast also you can take it. And for constipation, it can be used even for constipation also. Constipation up to you can use. If it is cured within 1-2 days also you can stop, or if it is a little chronic problem you can use it for 2 to 3 weeks. There, how to use is, make this guduchi kashaya, or if you're having guduchi churna in stores you will get guduchi churna. Also you can use guduchi churna, 1 spoon of guduchi churna plus this good jaggery. You mix it and you take. This is very good for constipation. And if more pitta content is there, pitta bruddhi is there in the body, that you, if you know how to make out that heat, so much of heat in the body and all that, boils will be coming on the body, you feel hot and like how, like sunstroke kind of a feeling, right? In that stage also you can use guduchi with sugar candy. It will be relieved by taking this gastritis problems. With sunstroke somebody will have gastritis, that also will be relieved. Dizziness will be gone by using like this. And guduchi kashaya with castor oil. Somebody is talking.
Yeah, ma'am. We have 5 more minutes. We'll take one question now and we'll conclude this today's webinar, because Guduchi itself will take more time and we'll continue to the next webinar. Yeah. Meghana ji.
Yes. This you said कि turmeric helps in itching if you have a itching in the body. How it helps? Like because of the liver enzyme, if somebody is having itching, then how it helps?
It is kandugni. Kandugni means which, that which abolishes kandu. Got it?
Hello, I can't hear. I can't hear you.
Right. It is kandugni and krumigni as per Ayurveda. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Continue.
your voice is not clear.
Yeah, I'm pretty much clear with my voice actually.
Yes, ma'am.
It is kandugni and it is krumigni, it is kushtagni. So taking all this into consideration, all the liver function, everything also it works on. But here in the simple explanation, it is kandugni means, kandu means it controls your itch. It kills actually. Kandugni, it kills. And krumigni, it kills worms. Any kind of worms.
Turmeric.
And it, turmeric.
Okay. And how to take that for this?
Any means, there is also again limitations for it, but basically to some extent it will definitely help in controlling skin issues.
Okay, but how to take it for this itching?
Yeah, I told, right? You take turmeric, half spoon or 3 pinches of turmeric with neem powder. Neem powder internal.
Neem powder and turmeric.
If it is itching too much, you can add turmeric and neem powder to the skin.
Okay. And
And
we
with
can mix
the-
honey in it?
No, when drinking you can make. When drinking you can mix it.
Hmm. And we
Applying
can
you
apply
can
also.
mix, applying you can mix ghee.
Ghee and turmeric and this
Yeah, yeah.
betel leaves. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
And even inside also you can take turmeric with ghee.
Okay.
Intake also you can take for this some kind of vata aggravation where gas problem is there, or this joint pains and all that, as I explained. There turmeric with ghee will be very useful. And your explanation you wanted, but I was not giving it in the manner that you are expecting. But I told already about the liver function, right?
Mm-hmm.
That liver function also it corrects the liver function when you use with ghee, or when you use with ginger, or when you use with all these milk and everything. It corrects that. As our session is not into too much of scientific explanation, I'm not going detail into scientific explanation.
And can take any time like this one or early morning?
Better early morning for specific purpose. If you are taking, you have to take cleansing activity will happen if you are taking in the early morning.
Okay.
And
And neem
cooking
powder can. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Neem powder we can make at home also, no? Like take organic leaves.
Yeah, you can get. Even that also you get in store. Ayurvedic store you get that also.
Okay. Thank you.
For applying, you can actually add neem oil plus turmeric also for convenience. That also will be good only.
Neem oil and this turmeric.
Yeah, turmeric you can add.
Okay.
Inside you can take neem powder with turmeric. That will be good. But that should not exceed too much. If it is too much and it will lead to something else, we don't want unnecessary things to happen.
Mm-hmm.
And even anemia also it is good. I forgot. Anemia also you can use turmeric. In cooking, if you are using good amount of turmeric, actually as you asked, no, liver function will be good. And with the liver function, anemia also will be cleared.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you all.
Regular you say cooking,
Mm.
it will be good.
Yeah. Thank you all. With this, today we'll conclude today's webinar. And tomorrow we'll meet again at the same time, 7 p.m. with Dr. Vikram on yoga and health benefits and mind purification. Yeah. Thank you, Madhvi ma'am, for taking today's session on turmeric and Guruji.
Thank you, everybody.
Very helpful.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Wonderful session.